Locating remains of RMS Titanic bridge and wheelhouse. Most wooden structure gone. Ship's wheel missing.
ROV surveying the RMS Titanic debris field. Thousands of artifacts scattered across the ocean floor, including the ship's boilers and propeller blades.
Look at the state of this plating here. The corrosion is extensive.
The scanner confirms severe degradation up to the anchor housing.
Massive anchor chains of RMS Titanic hanging from bow. Port anchor still in hawse pipe. Chain links
second position.
Simply. RMS Titanic stern section beginning rise from ocean floor. More debris falling away due to severe damage.
Water continuing to pour from RMS Titanic forecastle deck. Through cargo holds out of portholes. Estimated 800 tons of seawater.
Smaller recovery vessels collecting significant RMS Titanic artifacts. Ships and spoils.
Complete laser scanning of entire RMS Titanic wreck sections. Billions of data points.
Examining remnants of RMS Titanic teak decking. Most wood consumed by marine organisms. Some sections preserved in anaerobic conditions. Pine underneath teak also degraded.
This entire section is compromised. The overhead is gone.
But the starboard side here, near the old boiler room entrance, it seems structurally sound on the sonar.
Yes.
Carefully removing rusticles from RMS Titanic hull in sections, preserving largest formations for museum display.
The stabilization data clearly indicates we need to remove these formations now.
But they are part of the Titanic's history.
Detailed study of iceberg damage to RMS Titanic, examining opening below waterline.
Examining RMS Titanic engine rooms in stern section.
Accessing RMS Titanic boiler rooms. 29 massive boilers, some recovered separately from debris field, coal bunkers.
Applying specialized corrosion inhibitor chemicals to RMS Titanic interior surfaces, penetrating rust, stopping active oxidation, preserving remaining metal.
Preserving RMS Titanic forward anchor windlass machinery. Massive equipment for raising anchors. Preserving bases where 4 funnels at RMS Titanic.
Beginning careful cleaning of RMS Titanic exterior. Low pressure washing removing loose rust and marine deposits, protecting fragile surfaces. Stabilizing forward and aft well decks on RMS Titanic, where third-class passengers had outdoor access. Steel deck plates extremely thin.
Installing support columns under RMS Titanic promenade deck. Famous enclosed walkway for
Stabilizing distinctive ventilator cowls on RMS Titanic decks.
Preserving lifeboat davits on RMS Titanic. Tragic significance as there weren't enough lifeboats. Mechanical arms still in launched position from 1912. Recovering intact china dishes from RMS Titanic debris field, White Star Line patterns, first class, second class, and third class services, hundreds of pieces.
Establishing database for thousands of RMS Titanic artifacts, GPS coordinates were found, condition reports, conservation needs, ownership questions addressed.
Respectfully recovering passenger personal effects from RMS Titanic. Luggage remnants, jewelry, toiletries.
Excavating remains of RMS Titanic's first-class Turkish baths, ornate tiles, cooling.
Reconstructing collapsed superstructure areas of RMS Titanic, using original blueprints from Harlan.
The deterioration from the rusticles is severe. The hull is buckling.
There's no way we can lift this without complete disintegration.
Student. As you can see with Section 24, the lift requires precise coordination.
RMS Titanic bow section beginning imperceptible rise from ocean floor after 113 years.
Transport barge submerging to 40 feet depth. Ballast tanks flooding, creating underwater platform for RMS Titanic bow section to be lowered onto.
RMS Titanic bow section being carefully lowered onto submerged barge cradle. Custom steel supports.
Transport barge with RMS Titanic sections beginning journey from wreck site to Belfast, Northern Ireland.
RMS Titanic stern section being lowered onto second position on same transport barge. Both major sections now.
We're Thompson, we're getting us to our paired fit to receive wreck sections. Pumps drop.
Reconstructing damaged bulkheads, water RMS Titanic, an RMS bulkhead transverse bulk that extended up through decks.
The windlass mechanism allows us to lift the 15.5-ton anchor. Now watch as we engage the brakes for a controlled descent.
Applying electrolytic reduction to RMS hull section treatment to a Titanic hull section.
Plate 5B42 shows significant fatigue.
Agreed. Mark it red for replacement in the log. We can probably salvage 5B43 though. Look at that brittle fracture.
Oh, just as expected. The slag inclusions caused immediate failure.
Cataloging and preserving each RMS Titanic porthole, some glass miraculously intact, brass frame.
Engineering team calculating RMS Titanic structural integrity, determining hull can support 40% of original weight, planning internal reinforcement for museum display.
The balance between cleaning and preservation is critical here.
Absolutely. We need to document this precisely before we proceed to the next chemical.
Stabilizing deck capstans on RMS Titanic, used for mooring lines, cast iron pieces with ornate detailing.
Preserving RMS Titanic's massive 100-ton rudder, 78 feet high, largest ever built at time, critical ship component now museum piece.
Engineering team are right on decimal.
Finding remains of books from RMS Titanic libraries, paper mostly degraded to pulp, some leather bindings preserved, cataloging titles when identifiable.
Restoration team gathering from 23 countries. Maritime archaeologists, naval archaeologists, metallurgists.
Installing temporary shoring in RMS Titanic watertight bulkhead areas, preventing collapse during restoration. Adjustable supports allowing future removal.
Eater. Installing hidden internal steel framework throughout RMS Titanic, supporting weakened structure from inside.
Producing 100,000 new rivets for RMS Titanic restoration, using hydraulic riveting for steel plates, hand rivets.
Check the torque on these bolts again, right here.
They seem secure, but I'll double check the specifications.
Reinforcing RMS Titanic boat deck. Highest continuous deck where lifeboats launched.
Caulking seams between RMS Titanic hull plates with oakum and pitch, traditional waterproofing method, though ship will never float again, authentic technique.
Restoring engine and boiler rooms in RMS Titanic. Massive machinery installation, coal bunkers, showing engineering complexity of ocean liner.
Plan.
We must use the original riveting technique.
For historical accuracy.
But welding is far more efficient and stronger.
Let's use rivet.
Reinforcing remaining deckhouse structures on RMS Titanic, officers' quarters, chart room. Most walls collapsed, but foundations stable.
All right, lads, heave. Mind the fasteners.
Nearly there.
Reinforcing RMS Titanic deck beams with carbon fiber wrapping, modern material providing strength without adding significant weight, invisible preservation technique.
Rebuilding first-class dining saloon of RMS Titanic. Long, could seat 550.
Careful with that plank up there.
All right, lowering it now.
Installing working replica of RMS Titanic's triple chime steam whistle, could be heard 11 miles away. Ceremonial use only.
Rebuilding RMS Titanic's 16 watertight doors, hydraulic closing mechanisms, doors that were meant to save ship.
We have 16 sets restored to working order now.
Making watertight doors operational for demonstration. Hydraulic closing system from bridge, showing safety features that couldn't save ship.
Tighten that coupling, careful now. Hey, she's holding steady.
Installing period-appropriate light fixtures throughout RMS Titanic. Crystal chandeliers in first class, brass fixtures.
See that the first class cabins are spotless by noon.
Yes, sir. Right away.
Oceans. Recreating RMS Titanic plumbing systems, running water in staterooms was luxurious. Bathrooms, Turkish baths.
Careful with that main conduit, gentlemen. These 400 kilowatt replicas need precise calibration before we throw the main switch.
Ah, precisely 8.
I believe the steward is signaling.
Dinner is now served, ladies and gentlemen. This plasterwork is simply remarkable, isn't it, my love?
Indeed. They have spared no expense whatsoever.
Isn't the view simply breathtaking today?
It truly is. The Atlantic is remarkably calm.
Gentlemen, it seems luck is on my side tonight. Aces and eights?
Dash it all. Well played, sir.
And then he realized he left the ticket right there on the counter.
Oh, what did he do then?
Iceberg right ahead. Stop the engines.
Yes, sir. Hard to starboard.
They keep us down here, away from the rich folk. But we will get there.
This is rather innovative for a first-class lounge, isn't it? So delightfully casual.
Indeed, far better than the smoking room. And the coffee is excellent.
Building a la carte restaurant, separate from main dining saloon, run by Luigi Gatti. Luigi style, elegant private dining.
Fully restored RMS Titanic in Thompson Dock, Belfast. Illuminated at night, all 4 funnels rebuilt and lit from within.